First, make sure to put the support legs on top of the table. There are a total of 4 legs. Then, go to the top of the machine. Open the top. And remove these 2 bracket screws. Go to the back of the machine and attach the air regulator in its place. Then, open the back cover by removing 4 screws. Connect it between the air regulator cable and air from the motherboard. Connect the shorter hose to the air regulator. It is incoming air from the air source to the spindle. There is a longer hose to the water chamber. It is connected to the pump inside the water tank. This is incoming air from your air source. Prepare your air. The hose is 3/8 of an inch, or 10 millimeters in diameter. Connect the power cable 110 volt to your power source. Prepare Ethernet cable for remote support and milling file transfer. There is a pump sign. Connect a pump power here. If the machine starts, the pump will automatically start. Make sure that the air gauge is between these 2 green dots, which is approximately 90 psi. Then, make sure the emergency lock is unlocked. Locate the water tank inside the bottom cabinet. Connect the plastic tube to the upper body and make sure the plastic tube stays inside the material collector. Insert the sponge to the collector. Engage the top of the water tank and the material connector properly. There is a pump inside the tank. The long tube from the back is connected to this pump. Make sure to push it all the way in so the water does not leak. Also, make sure the water level stays between high and low. Please fill the tank with distilled water. All the tubes and cables go to the back of the machine. There are legs underneath the table. You can adjust to park the milling machine so that it will not move. Switch on to start the milling machine. The machine will start and it will activate the screen. Please follow the maintenance instructions. Click on the Ready button to to initiate the milling machine. Remove the sponge inside the machine if it is delivered. Then, click on the Home button so the machine will be ready to start. The parts will move and make the axis points to be 0. Before inserting tools in, it is easier to move the fixture rotated. Go to the settings and click on the disc position. There is a dummy pin installed. T is shown as 0. T represents tool numbers. We will add ZB46, Zirconia tool. Let's remove the dummy pin by clicking on the tool button from the display. It will be removed by the collet from the spindle naturally. Insert ZB46 tool all the way into the collet. Click on Tool so that the collet will hold the tool. Then, go to Settings and select Tool Settings. Change the tool number from T00 to T01 and click on the Set button. T from the main display will change to 1. This means the machine is holding a tool number 1, which is ZB46. When you place a tool, tool tips go into the tool pocket and push all the way in so the tool ring can go inside. One tool is held by the collet and 9 tools are placed in the tool pockets.